This is probably gonna sound really stupid, but in today's video I want to talk about why I don't like social media. And that sounds really stupid for someone making these YouTube videos, but in a while you will get what I mean. So let's get to the first reason why I don't like social media. So the first reason why I don't like social media is people feeling the need to express themselves no matter what the consequences are. So I'm a member of a couple of Facebook groups, and I just saw some comments on a woman's picture and they were brutal. I mean, really brutal. And this woman just felt forced to upload her raw file just to prove that she didn't upload an AI image. And I think that's so wrong, and people are just losing the enjoyment of photography because of all these comments on social media. So always be careful what you post as a response or a comment. Of course you are obliged or you have the right to express your opinion, but do it in a normal way, in a good fashion way, without hurting people, and try to give comments that are positive. Try to give people positive feedback on what they could have improved instead of saying what they did wrong. And that's the whole problem at the moment. People are only telling you did this wrong, you did that wrong. And there's a beautiful bird sitting over there that I'm watching at the moment. I don't even know what it is, but yeah, that's not what this video is about. So, but just try to focus on giving positive feedback instead of just feeling the need to say what everyone's doing wrong. You know, we don't need that. So that was the first thing. So the second thing that I don't like about social media is the lack of creativity. You know, if you look at Instagram at the moment or at Facebook, and it is a certain time of year where a particular flower in your area is growing, or a particular butterfly is coming out, the whole internet is spoiled with these images. So the only thing people are doing at the moment is watching what are people photographing, going out and doing the exact same thing. And I think that ruins your opportunities. So keep your mind clear, do whatever you want, create your own path. So I'm not saying that I invented anything, but at the moment I am in the south of France, and I could have gone here and visited all these epic locations from Location Scout and anything. But instead of that, I just visited a local area 5 minutes from my holiday home. Beautiful trees, beautiful mosses, and lots of opportunities from an area that I have never seen an image of. So these are the images that stand out, because these are the only ones out there. I found them, and you can find them. And I'll show you a video up here. If you haven't seen that one, I went out a couple of months ago in Amsterdam to a very popular Instagram location that I didn't know was that popular, but it was popular. And the weeks after, I only saw images of this area, and I just didn't post mine, because why should I? Because everyone has seen this image, and my image didn't stand out of the others. So clear your head, feel free to do your own thing, and be creative. And creative has many different faces, but don't copy anything else. Just do your own thing. And of course you can get inspired by other one's photos, but always pull your own way. That's the best thing you can do. So the third thing that I don't like about social media is people not being honest about their work. You know, I don't care if you replace a sky or if you replace a whole picture with artificial intelligence, but just be honest what you did, because there are other people watching it and thinking, oh man, I can never create a shot like that. How did he do that? and just because you are not honest about your image. So I actually saw a beautiful image lately with a beautiful starry sky, and I thought to myself, whoa, this man is really good, this is a really good photographer. But about a month ago I downloaded Luminar, a free version that I could try for 7 days. So I just wanted to see how it worked, or if it would add anything to my workflow. And in the end I didn't buy it because it didn't add anything that Lightroom didn't offer for me. But what Luminar had was a sky replacement tool. And I was looking through it, and that exact sky with this Milky Way that was in this image that I really liked was just in there as a standard sky replacement tool. And that was the moment that I thought to myself, okay, I have to look at images really different. So I don't care if you do it, it's all part of being creative, and sometimes it's just really beautiful, but just be honest about it. Other people are losing the joy of photography because they think they can't do an image like that. But to be honest, you can do it. You just have to need the right tools to do it. So the fourth thing that I don't like about social media is the algorithms. We are relying on algorithms, and we have no idea how these things work. At least I don't. And you just have to, how do you say it? There's a certain pressure on releasing content. You have to release an image on Instagram every day to get higher up in the ranks and to get more likes and to get more people following you. It's a little less on Facebook, I think, but especially on YouTube, we rely on algorithms. We have to release on every week on the same time, and the same thing to get a certain line going upwards. And we have no idea how these things work, but somehow we just rely on them, and that's really, really difficult. So always keep in mind to only release stuff that you are happy about. There's no fun in releasing images that you don't like, or that you're thinking, oh, I didn't release anything today, what will the algorithm do? Well, the algorithm will do nothing. It will steady your growth for a minute, and next time it will go up again. So I have no idea how it works, and that's really the frustrating thing. We want to get more reach, we want to get out in the world, and we rely on this social media thing that we have no control over. So that's what I don't like. So, and that leads me to what I do like about social media and how I deal with all these troubles that I've just mentioned, and how I manage to control those. So a couple of them I can't control, but what I can control is the platform that I chose. And you probably noticed that YouTube is my main platform. And why did I do that? Because being out here, showing what I'm doing, it illuminates that one thing that people can't say that I didn't take that shot. People can't say that it's artificial intelligence. People are seeing what I'm doing here when I'm filming it. And I think that's what people want to see. They want to, people connect to photographers that are honest about their work and showing it. And that's the beauty of YouTube. I can show the whole world what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. And I usually, I talked about the pressure to release things. If you look at my Instagram account, I always keep that synchronized with my YouTube videos. So I never release an image like, these are epic conditions here. I can get back to my holiday home here, upload these files to the computer and immediately upload them to Instagram. And then realizing tomorrow that that wasn't the best crop or the best edit that I could do to this image. So I always keep a week or 3, 4 between what I'm shooting right here and what I'm releasing online. And that's something you should consider. Just keep that time between it to clear your head, to have a second look to your image, and just to make sure that the images that you release aren't released because of the pressure of social media, but are released because you like them. And that's what I like about YouTube. I just film stuff here, and usually, like what you're seeing right now, is probably going to be released in about 4 to 5 weeks. 5 weeks from now. And that's the time frame that I work with, and that reduced that pressure for me to release stuff. So nowadays I can only release stuff that I like and not to release it for an algorithm. And to be honest, I don't care what people comment on my videos. Of course I do care and I do learn from it, but I don't feel, how do you say it? I don't feel that people are attacking me anymore. I know most of it, I think 99% are positive comments, positive feedbacks on my photos, my videos. But sometimes there is one negative thing to it, or a person telling me that everything sucks, or that I am an ass, I don't know. But I don't care anymore. And about 2 years ago, I thought to myself, oh, he's right, I'm not good enough. And I'm not this, and I'm not that. Sorry, there's a car passing at the moment, but you know, I don't care. Just do your own thing, follow your own path. And there are always people that don't like the path that you are walking on. But as long as you like the path you're walking on, then it's absolutely worth getting out here. So that's how I do it. That's are the things that I don't like and how I deal with them. And I hope you can use some of this as in your advantage. And yeah, hopefully you will find your platform or your way to enjoy social media. So for now, from the beautiful south of France, I thank you for watching this video. And if you like the video, don't forget to push the thumbs up button, and there's a little subscribe button underneath this video. If you push it and select the little notification bell, you will get a message when I release my next video. So yeah, I have no idea when this is going to be released. Also the video that I'm shooting on location, I'm shooting 3 videos at the same time here. So it's going to be a mess to edit all this stuff, but yeah, I'm enjoying myself here, and that's the most important. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you this Sunday on the next on location video. Bye bye.